Hello and welcome to Billionaires. On this channel, we know that our beliefs are the sole dictator of our reality. Our beliefs direct our thoughts, words, emotions, and ultimately our physical outcomes. So if you've been trying to manifest something amazing in your life and you've been trying to work at that level of your thoughts, consider the fact that you might have to go one level deeper and work at the root of your thoughts. The root of your thoughts are your beliefs. And once you change your belief, you change your thoughts. And ultimately, everything else in your life changes too. But the very best part of this whole process is that beliefs, despite being so central to our physical experience, are actually super easy to change. And on this channel, we do that with logic. You see, the mind does not hold on to beliefs that do not make sense to it. So on this channel, we help you to let go of your beliefs by merely rendering them illogical. Once you can see that your beliefs do not make sense, your brain will immediately release them. So in each video on this channel, we target a single limiting belief and use logic to neutralize it. This is key to the process of letting them go. Once you let them go, they are no longer a factor in your reality. Today's video is part of our Limiting Money Beliefs series, in which we target and dismantle the myriad of connected, intertwined beliefs that we hold individually and as a society about money. So let's get started. The biggest limiting belief that I often come across about money is that in order to make money, you have to work hard. This manifests in a vast array of different wordings around the fact that making money is hard and you have to strive and all this hard work culture that we seem to be embracing online. All of this is creating a lot of tension around the idea of money. Now, before I talk to you about the reasons why that particular belief is not true and start the process of dismantling it in your life so that you can actually go forward and live a life in which you find making money easy, let me first make very clear what I am saying here. I am not saying in these videos that it's not true on some level that you have to work hard for money, or that it's wrong to believe that you have to work hard for money. What I am saying is that it's not a fundamental truth of the universe. What it is a choice that you have the right to make if it works for you. All I'm asking is that you acknowledge that it is a choice you're making and not a truth. And you may continue to make that choice and continue to have to work hard for money, or you can let it go and see money flow effortlessly into your life. So the first part of neutralizing any belief is acknowledging that it's not a fundamental truth about reality, but a choice that you as an individual are making every day and every moment. And in order to release that belief or stop making that choice, the most powerful thing you can do is render it illogical by finding examples in any area of life where that belief is not true. I like to think of the fact that there are many people out there, and I'm sure you know many personally or have seen them in the media, who are rich through no fault or effort of their own. Now, these are not necessarily bad people and we're not vilifying them, but they do exist. They might have inherited money, they might have won money, they might have received money as a gift, they might have traded something for money. So the fact that so many people out there acquire money without working hard is proof that working hard and money are not correlated. Let me tell you the story of Kevin Systrom, the co-founder of Instagram. Kevin Systrom was a Stanford University graduate with a degree in management science and engineering. He initially worked at Google as an associate product marketing manager. However, his path to riches took a significant turn when he co-founded Instagram, a photo sharing app with Mike Krieger in 2010. Systrom and Krieger developed Instagram as a side project while working on other ventures. The app allowed them to take and share photos with artistic filters, and it quickly gained popularity for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. Within just a few months of launching, Instagram attracted millions of users. In April 2012, Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion in a combination of cash and stock. And Systrom and Krieger were the primary shareholders. This acquisition made Systrom an instant millionaire as he received a substantial proportion of the purchase price in Facebook stock. While Systrom undoubtedly put effort and creativity into developing Instagram, the rapid success of the app and its eventual acquisition by Facebook allowed him to amass significant wealth without the long years of hard work often associated with traditional career paths. His story illustrates how innovation and entrepreneurial ventures can lead to financial success without the need for years of laborious toil. Now, I'm not saying that the two founders of Instagram didn't deserve the money that they made, but what I am saying is that we can start to see how something that we can develop effortlessly and maybe with joy and passion can bring us great wealth without necessarily putting in a large amount of work. Now I'd like you to look for examples in your reality, people that you know personally or whom you've heard of who are making money and are not working hard for it. And the purpose of this exercise is to show yourself that it's possible. And if it's possible for them, you bet that it's possible for you. The universe does not love or care for them any more than it cares for you. We are all integral to it, and therefore we all have access to its gifts. Once you've found examples and started to shift your belief that making money has to be hard work, I want you to affirm a new belief to yourself, a new belief that making money is easy and effortless. Close your eyes and repeat this new belief to yourself. Visualize yourself in a situation whereby you are making money easily. Stay in this visualization for 5 minutes, and most of all, watch what the version of you in your vision is doing. Watch the actions that he or she is taking. Pinpoint one of those actions and perform that action in your own real life. Taking action on a new belief closes the loop on that belief and beds it in with the universe. For example, if you really believe that you can launch a successful company, why not register the domain name of the company that you want to create? So there you have it. Go out into the world with your new belief that making money is easy. Visualize it and act it out. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.